Hello folks, this is Tony Drake with Drake & Associates with the December 2015 Educational Economic Update. In this video we'll talk about some of the economic events that influenced markets last month and give you some insight into what they mean for you as an investor. Please stay tuned at the end for a required disclosure statement. November was another volatile month for markets. Investors weighed terrorism and concerns about global growth against some positive domestic data. Let's take a look at some of the month's events. Terrorist attacks in Paris, Beirut, and Mali rocked the world and brought home the threat posed by instability in the Middle East. Despite the ongoing security concerns, investors largely shrugged off the event, showing that they're able to keep calm and carry on in the face of uncertainty. It's unknown how these attacks will affect global economies, but some experts worry that travel restrictions and reduced retail spending will harm the already fragile economies in Europe and abroad. Domestically, economic data is looking pretty decent. The October jobs report surprised, coming in well above expectations. The data shows that the labor market continues to add jobs. Even better, wages grew substantially 2.5% from a year ago, and the highest year over year since 2009. We'll get a look at second estimate of third quarter economic growth. The latest data shows that the economy grew about 2.1%, which is much better than a 1.5% reported in October. The revisions show that businesses spent more aggressively than originally thought and indicate that the economy continues to grow briskly. These positive economic indicators are putting pressure on the Federal Reserve, and as speculation is growing, will the Fed raise the interest rates in December? We won't know for certain until they pull that trigger, but what we know so far suggests that the Fed is seriously considering a rate hike this year. We also know that Fed economists are closely monitoring economic data and won't make a move until they feel confident that the economy can handle it. As we get closer to the end of the year, we can expect investors to turn their attention to holiday retail numbers and expectations for 2016. What we know so far suggests that the U.S. economy will continue to accelerate while many other countries will continue to struggle from weak growth. We'll talk more about fourth quarter results in the coming year and in the next month's video update. That's it for the December update. As always, if you have any questions or concerns about what we've discussed, please give our office a call. We have some upcoming Social Security workshops that we'd like you to know about. On January 6th and 7th, we'll be at the New Berlin Public Library, and on the 5th and 12th at the Oconomowoc Public Library. Visit wealthwisconsin.com to learn more. Once again, this is Tony Drake with Drake & Associates, signing off for the month of December 2015. Please remember that nothing we talk about here is a recommendation. If you'd like to discuss your personal financial situation, please give us a call at 414-409-7226. We'd be happy to talk to you. While we believe the information in this report is reliable, we cannot guarantee its accuracy. Opinions expressed here are subject to change without notice and are not intended as investment advice or a solicitation for the purchase or sale of any security. Please consult your financial professional before making any investment decisions. Investment advisory services are provided by Drake & Associates, LLC, a state of Wisconsin registered investment advisor. Insurance products are offered through a separate company, Law Financial Advisory Group, LLC, a Wisconsin insurance agency. Clients are under no obligation to purchase any recommended insurance products. Thanks.